I've been testing a workflow that connects Claude directly into your Zotero, and it's genuinely changed how I approach my literature reviews. Today, I'm going to show you how exactly to set it up in 5 simple steps. I am Evander, a PhD researcher at the Open University, working on climate disclosures and capital markets. So, I live in academic papers. This workflow has saved me hours. Let me show you how it works. So, basically, we are connecting cloud into our Zotero by the use of Beaver. Beaver is more or less like a Zotero plugin. It serves as a research agent that lives inside your Zotero and lets you chat with your library using Claude, ChatGTP, or Gemini. So the first step is to download the Beaver app. So you go to beaverapp.ai, beaverapp.ai. Yeah, you click on get started. You have to type in your email to be able to download it. So you type in your email, continue, wait for your verification code. Yeah, let me get the verification code right here. Okay, 4659005. Then boom, we are in it. So we can now download the Beaver app. Yes, it will just download an XPI file. Yeah, so now we go back to our Zotero app, go to tools, select plugins. Yeah, and there's settings like icon. You click on it, install plugin from file, which will automatically take you to your downloads. Click on Beaver, and then open. Yeah, so now we have Beaver in our Zotero. To access Beaver, you click on this magic wand like icon at the top right corner. As you can see, you click on it, and then you have Beaver. Yeah, so you can start chatting with it or do whatever. But for you to integrate Claude into the Zotero, you have to get a Claude API key. Now, for us to add Claude, we need to get a Claude API key. So you go to uh, platform, go to platform.cloud.com/dashboard. Yeah, so this open up the cloud console and I'm already logged in. Yeah, but then when you open, if you don't have an account, you just have to create account, which is simple process. It doesn't take 1 minute to just log in with your Google account. You can see here get API key. So now what happens is Anthropic gives you some free credits to start with. And after that, you pay per use, which doesn't cost much. So you can see here the first API key that I bought, it cost me $1.44. Yeah, it doesn't cost much. So, and the keys that you generate, they are reusable. So in this video, I'm going to use a key that I've already bought. Yeah. So you click on it, you use your free credit to generate a key. Since I've already bought a key, I'll just um, copy it. Yeah, so I'll just copy this key. Then go to Zotero. In the Zotero app, you see that profile icon here inside your Beaver. You click on it, you go to settings, see API keys, select API keys, and then anthropic key. You just add it, and then confirm. Before I confirm, let me just mention that you can see Google API key, which is for Gemini. So if you are able to uh, get Gemini API keys, you can plug them here, which will insert Gemini into your Zotero. Or if you have an OpenAI API key, which will insert Chat GPT into your Beaver. But we want to connect a Claude because that's what I use. Then click on confirm. Yes, and now you can see Claude API key added. Yeah, so when you go back into your Zotero inside the Beaver, if you click on this one, you can see that we have the Claude Haiku, which is the various options for Claude, whatever version that you want to choose. Apart from the Beaver, we now have options. So let's use Opus 4.5, which is the strongest model. Yeah. So boom, we can start. We have Claude in our Zotero, and then we can start interacting with it. So let's say um, that's a simple question. So you can just type in what are the main findings. What are the main findings of this literature? So yeah, just play with it. Let the Beaver act as your AI assistant. You don't have to read the whole paper from head to toe. It's here to interact with you, summarize whatever that you need, which makes things very smooth. So yeah, you can see that's Claude at work. I love this. Yeah, I love it. This is very seamless. Yeah, that's it. So you can see theoretical insights. It's giving you theoretical insight. There are consistent findings on determinants. Then it just talks about it. Sector affiliation, inconsistent or missed findings. It also gives you, so whatever that you want to do with it is basically you having a chat box inside your Zotero. So you wouldn't have to toggle in between this one and you go to another app. Everything is inside Zotero. You can annotate, make your note, everything inside Zotero. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you. If you love this video, just click on the subscribe button and watch out for the next video. Thank you for watching.